Hi and welcome to Chemipedia, chemistry classes for 11th and 12th standard. So in this video I am going to discuss about IUPAC name of coordination compounds. Part 2, this is the continuation of previous video. Okay, right. So the first compound with formula AgNAS3 twice Cl. First let us find out the oxidation state of central metal ion. Amine neutral 0 charge, Cl minus 1, so therefore Ag plus 1. The naming, first cationic portion followed by anion, isn't it? Complex ion la Licon first. Licon is amine 2 times, so diamine. Diamine. Silver, central metal ion is silver. Silver, oxidation state is 1 plus 1, so Roman number 1, silver 1. Outside Cl is the simple anion, chloride. Silver 1 chloride, that is diamine, silver 1 chloride. Next one, ethane 1, 2 diamine. Licon neutral, 0 charge, Cl2 net, total charge minus 2, here minus 1, minus 3, so cobalt plus 3. Total negative charge minus 3, so cobalt, central metal with plus 3 oxidation state. Two types of Licon, one is ethane 1, 2 diamine, another one chlorido. Okay, right. So this is for this one you have to use alternate prefix, isn't it? Bis 2 times, so bis ethane 1, 2 diamine. I think you remember why we use alternate prefix bis here, because the name of the Licon there is a regular prefix di, so that to represent its number 2, so instead of using di we are using alternate prefix bis. So bis ethane 1, 2 diamine. When you use alternate prefix, Licon name enclosed. Okay. Bis ethane 1, 2 diamine. Then next Licon chlorido 2 times, so dichlorido. Dichlorido, central metal is cobalt. Cobalt, oxidation state 3, cobalt 3. Outside simple anion is Cl, cobalt 3 chloride. Right. Here 0 charge. Carbonate Licon minus 2, carbonato minus 2, minus 1, cobalt on the plus 3. Amine carbonato, so order la amine comes at first, isn't it? So tetraamine, this one first. Then CO3 is a carbonato Licon, isn't it? Tetraamine 1 time, so carbonato, tetraamine carbonato. Now we go for central metal ion. Cobalt, oxidation number is 3, cobalt 3. Then simple anion outside Cl, cobalt 3 chloride. Tetraamine carbonato, cobalt 3 chloride. Correct. Amine neutral 0 charge, aqua 0 charge, Cl3 totally minus 3, so chromium plus 3. 2 Licons amine aqua, so it comes, amine comes at first followed by aqua, isn't it? Both starts with AM, this is AQ, so amine first, aqua next, isn't it? Right. Now let us start the naming. Triamine, triaqua, chromium, triamine, triaqua, chromium, oxidation state 3, chromium 3. Outside anion is Cl3, isn't it? It's called as chloride, chromium 3 chloride. Triamine, triaqua, chromium 3 chloride. Okay. Potassium plus 1, thrice, so plus 3. Cyanide minus 1, total charge minus 5. This is a nitrosyl Licon, so neutral, but total negative charge minus 5. So ion is supposed to have plus 2, then only plus 5 minus 5 balanced. Okay. For cyanide Licon, ampidentate, cyanide Kc, nitrosyl, alphabetical order first, this next, isn't it? This potassium, for simple cation potassium, K3 is called potassium. Then complex ion la Licon first, isn't it? Pentacyanide, Kc, ampidentate Licon. Then next Licon, nitrosyl, NO is called nitrosyl, neutral Licon. Pentacyanide, Kc, nitrosyl, central metal Fe2 plus, isn't it? Central metal ion, so it's called ferrate. It is present in anionic complex, so ferrate, oxidation number 2, ferrate 2. This already we discussed in the previous video. Na total charge plus 2, EDTA minus 4, nickel plus 2, isn't it? Right. Now, just recall the IUPAC name of EDTA silicon. 2 dash, 2 double dash, triple dash, ethane, 1 2 diol, dinitrile, tetraacetato, nickelate, tetraacetato, isn't it? Right. Now the name starts with simple cation sodium. Sodium. Right. Now we go for complex ion. First silicon, isn't it? First this one, then silicon, then central metal. This is the order. Sodium. Then EDTA name is 2 comma 2 dash comma 2 double dash comma 2 triple dash. And start a bracket. Ethane. Ethane hyphen 1 comma 2 diol dinitrilo diol dinitrilo close bracket tetraacetato tetraacetato. This is the complete name of EDTA silicon. Okay, tetraacetato. Now we go for central metal ion nickel in anionic complex. So nickelate oxidation state is 2, nickelate 2. Minus 2 charge. This also minus 2, 0. So palladium plus 4. Palladium plus 4. Right. So silicon, this is iodido, nitrito, then aqua. So in alphabetical order, aqua comes at first. Aqua comes first, isn't it? Okay, aqua first, then followed by iodo second, then nitrito, KO third, then central metal ion finally. Okay, so that. So aqua first, iodido next, then nitrito. Diaqua. This is called diaqua. Then diiodido. Then dinitrito. Ambidentate, so KO. Dinitrito, KO. Then central metal ion is palladium, isn't it? So palladium. Palladium, its oxidation number is 4, so Roman number 4. Palladium 4. Diaqua, diiodido, dinitrito, KO, palladium 4. So both are neutral ions, 0 charge, so that the central metal atom also in 0 oxidation state. Okay, so this is carbonyl silicon. This is triphenyl phosphane. Triphenyl phosphane. So alphabetical order carbonyl first, followed by triphenyl phosphane, then central metal ion. Okay, so carbonyl silicon 5 times, isn't it? So pentacarbonyl. The next silicon triphenyl phosphane. Then central metal is chromium. Triphenyl phosphane, chromium. So oxidation number is 0. You have to mention 0 in the bracket. Okay, pentacarbonyl, triphenyl phosphane, chromium 0. Total charge of this one is minus 3, here 0, cobalt plus 3. Nitrito silicon, amine silicon, amine first, nitrito next, then central metal ion after that. Okay, but triamine. What is this called? Triamine. Then trinitrito. NO2 silicon is trinitrito. Ambidentate, so KN. Trinitrito, KN. Then central metal is cobalt. Oxidation state is 3. Cobalt 3. That's all. Next, bimetallic complex. Amine 0, Cn minus 1, 0. Here minus 5. Total negative charge minus 6. Positive charge plus 6. First cobalt plus 3, next one plus 3. Okay, right. So bimetallic complex. So amine silicon first, then cyanide next, isn't it? This is first, then this is next. Right, now pentaamine. Cyanido, Kc, ambidentate Kc. Then cobalt, oxidation number 3. Okay, so now we have completed the first portion name. Okay, right. Then second, now we have to go to the second portion. Amine, pentacyanide, Kc. Cobaltate. The second portion, the central metal ion is present in anionic complex, isn't it? So cobaltate 3. Right, so pyridine neutral 0. Cl4 total charge -4. Platinum +2. This platinum also +2. So Py ligand is simply called as pyridine, isn't it? Okay, so tetrapyridine. Tetrapyridine. Platinum 2. Platinum 2. Then tetrachlorido. Tetrachlorido platinate. Second one is called platinate. Platinate 2. Right? Okay. 0 charge -2. Here -6. But total negative charge is -8. Total negative charge given here is about -8, isn't it? Right. So now what you have to do is here, actually the exact molecular formula CONH3 4 times Cl2 about thrice. See here, about thrice you have. Okay, right. Just a minute. Right, now let us go for this. So that now here you're supposed to multiply this this -2 charge by 3, isn't it? So total negative charge in the first portion -6, second portion also -6. But total negative charge -12. But total positive charge is supposed to be +12, isn't it? Whereas in this chromium it is +3, remaining +9. This also given +3 because this 3 subscript 3 into 3 +9. So first portion cobalt net charge +3, second portion chromium +3. But totally it comes about +12, isn't it? Okay, so it's a different complex, so you should find out the oxidation state exactly. Okay, right. So now amine ligand first, chlorido next, isn't it? So tetraamine dichlorido, tetraamine dichlorido, cobalt 3. So first portion, so cationic complex. So next anionic complex, hexacyanide, ambidentate, so Kc, isn't it? Hexacyanide Kc, chromium anionic complex, so chromate 3. Right? There's few more complexes. Amine 0, silver +1, total charge +1. Amine ligand first diamine, central metal ion is silver, oxidation state 1, Roman number 1. It is given as ionic complex, cationic complex, so name end with ion, silver 1 ion. Okay, diamine, silver 1 ion. Chlorine -1, 0, cobalt +3. So that addition of +3 and -1, net charge only +2, isn't it? Amine ligand first, chlorido next. So pentaamine, chlorido, pentaamine, chlorido, cobalt. Cationic complex, a regular name, cobalt 3 is given as an ionic complex, isn't it? Cobalt 3 ion. The next one -6 fluorine, so this is +2. So addition +2 -6, net charge -4. Fluorido ligand first, followed by central metal ion, isn't it? 6 times, so hexafluorido, ferrate. Ion is named as ferrate here because it is in anionic complex. The charge is given with a 4- negative charge, so the central metal name ending with ATE, ferrate. Oxidation state of central metal ion is ferrate 2 ion. It's given as an anionic complex, so name ends with ion. Hexafluorido, ferrate 2 ion. Correct. Right. I hope you are able to follow the nomenclature of complex compounds. Right. After watching both videos part 1 and part 2, thank you very much.